Hello everyone. Um, Good day everyone. I'm here to talk about rivets and button cover machines. Um, my recent experience has led me to making this video so that those that are also interested in purchasing or buying any of these tools will have a better idea and knowledge of how what you use it for. Okay, the green one is a rivet machine, and of course it does multiple jobs or function. It helps with um, pearls, yeah, pearls making. You can attach pearls with it because it has various tools to work with. That means you can interchange various tools that you can work with to give your desired results. Then also you have this one that looks, is it blue green, or let me just give it a blue color. That this one is it does a specific job, and usually it's a button cover machine. So I didn't know the difference until I got them, and I said, let me just use this opportunity to educate people about it. So I'll be making this video as an introduction to these machines, so that you'll have a better idea. You just don't go ahead and buy, you know what you're buying. So I'll start with the rivets. I spoke about it briefly before, and these are the tools that works with it. This is this dice works with it produces eyelets for you. That means all these our corset blouses that we have laces to pass through them. This kind of tool helps in making that job possible. You also have it here on top. I'm going to be doing a demo in another video on how to make use of it, the practical use of it. So you have the highlight round thing here, and you have the one on top also, and you press it together and it goes into each other like so. And okay, then you also have the one that does the pearls. There are pearls that you attach clothing. This is an example of pearls. It comes in gold and silver, so I want to show us. So this one helps in making you want the Ankara fabric to glam up a little bit more than the ordinary Ankara fabric that you have. So it helps in doing that also. I'm looking for the other tool that works with it. Yes, this one. So it has also, okay, this is the one that stays behind, that enables the pearl to stay. These laces that we buy, that some of them have pearls on them. So this machine helps in making that happen. Yeah, like this and like this. So it's very tiny, but it has a very sharp, it's got sharp edges, and then the flat side is dropped into this hole here at the base of this machine. Then the ball itself, you have it fixed into this hole. Then you attach it right underneath. because there's a hole already created for that. And you have to have this properly screwed. Then you have your fabric right in between, and you press down, and it will give you the desired result. This is an introduction to the use of this, and then my next video will be having the demo of how this machine works. So the next one is just, I said a short introduction. I'll be bringing in the just a minute. So like I said before, I said this is a short introduction to the use of these machines. Now I got this simply because of this tool I have here. I ordered for it, and I was given the impression that it can work by itself without just by just adding a little pressure in between. That was the impression given, but unfortunately I didn't get the desired results, and so I thought I could use it with this, but of course it's not working as well, because the size, it's the space in between cannot accommodate the length of this tool here. So I came across this machine, and luckily it worked. So I'm going to be showing us how to do that and manipulate it so that it can work. But this one by itself came with this dice, and it works perfectly well with it. So if you have this machine, you probably might not need to buy this. This is multi-purpose. It does like more than 5 jobs. All you need to do is to just change the dials, just keep interchanging and all, then you get your desired result. But this one is what do they call it, specialized, so it does just one job for you, and it does it really well. You like the clean finish. So like this, I used it. You can also use it with other dyes. You can use it with other dyes, surprisingly, and it comes out perfectly well. So I'll be showing us how to make use of this machine to produce something this smooth and beautiful effortlessly, because I noticed that because this one is multifunctional, you find it you need more pressure to give you that desired result that you want. But with this one, it's so smooth and effortless. But then again, if you have this, you probably might not need to get this, because it works with dials, different dials as well. But because I had this initially, and it gave me the impression that I could use it without buying any of these machines. So when I found out that it wasn't working with this, I had to do some research and get this. So I'm making this video so that you don't make the same mistakes. You have to know about these tools very well, know what they are used for, know what you want to get out of them. And so I think we have come to the end of this short video. It's just to differentiate, and I'm also going to be walking us through how to differentiate them, because they usually don't give you full detailed instruction or guide on how to know how to know these things, what they're actually used for. But thank God for YouTube videos, you're able to put yourself through. But then if you are just coming across, you are interested in buying them, know what they are used for. This is a rivet, usually don't call it button cover machine. It's a rivet because you can use various tools with it, and it gives you different results. This one is specific. It does only one job. It does only one job, and it does it well. So I hope I've been able to help a little, and watch out for my next video. So till then, bye and stay blessed.